from Team 1245, the Shazbots from Monarch High School. We're the safety officers for our team, and we bring you a presentation on working with batteries.
So in the shop, when working with robots, we have to run them on something, being batteries. Batteries have very poisonous acid in them, and it's dangerous to be around them if they spill. So today we're going to show you how to clean them up with baking soda.
So here we have our baking soda, our just everyday household baking soda, and the reason we have this here is because for every acid there's a base, and this is a powerful base that can be used to neutralize acids.
Today we're going to show you the science behind why baking soda works. So here we go.
So today we're going to be using the pH scale, which is a scale from 0 to 14, testing the acidity of different solutions. And so 0 would be the most acidic, and whereas 14 would be the least acidic. And we have 7, which is the exact middle, which is what water is expected to be. It's about a 7 on the pH scale.
Before we start anything, safety first.
Here we've got our lab coats. First, my ears are red. Okay.
And we already have our gloves on.
Eye protection. Okay.
First, we're going to test the pH of water, which is in here.
Okay, now we're going to look at it in comparison. And we have it as about a 7, which is exactly where it should be.
Next, we're going to pour a little bit of vinegar into the second canister.
We're using vinegar in this experiment as kind of in relation to battery acid because they're both acidic substances. Though you don't want to work with battery acid like straight out, so we're using vinegar. Okay. Testing on the pH scale. And that looks about a 2, right? Yeah. Nice. So that is about a 2, and since baking soda is a solid substance, we're going to put it and dissolve it in water in order to test its pH. Good.
pH strip. And let's look.
Looks to be about a 10, don't you think?
Yep.
Yep. Okay, looking good. So next what we're going to do is we're going to take our vinegar and we're going to put a little bit more in. Yeah. And we have something. Yes, vinegar. And we're going to put them together, baking soda and vinegar,
And see what the pH comes out as.
Reach behind you, get a pH strip. Okay, so now we're going to find out the pH of them mixed together. Okay. And what we find is to be a 7, just like water. Now, why would it be a 7? It's because the base, if you're in chemistry, it's an acid-base neutralization reaction, where you take an acidic substance and you put it with a base and they'll neutralize each other to form a neutral substance like water. And neutral on the pH scale, of course, is a 7 like we found it to be. Test results. Nice. Okay. And so what we'll find is that vinegar is actually very acidic. It's very close to battery acid. Battery acid is a 1 on the pH scale, which is very close to 0. And yeah.
Vinegar is only a 2, so one number away. Now we're going to show you a scenario that could happen using food coloring and vinegar as an example of battery acid.
So right here we have our vinegar mixed with food coloring. This is our battery acid spill. Hey Erica, we have a battery acid spill in electrical.
Let me get the baking soda. Oh, it's okay.
Okay, and you'll see it bubbles as it neutralizes
This, because they're two edible food products, it is edible, and you should never do this with battery acid, but just for fun.
Should be a neutral 7. Yum! Okay, that's disgusting. Okay, I'm just gonna... Can I give up and be like, no? I think this is inside out. Yep.
Safety glasses.
We'll just make everything harder.